we are about to get this money. We are washing today the new SheaMoisture Hydrate and Repair Manuka honey and yogurt, okay? Extremely dry, brittle hair is a specialty. If you do have dry, brittle hair, this will be what you would run to. We're gonna go through ingredient profile, and then we're gonna get this wash started. Also gonna be using this SheaMoisture Sugarcane Extract Metal Foam Seed Leave-In Treatment for all hair types. Sulfate free, color free. Ingredient profile I'm gonna go through on this, scent, consistency, and then we're gonna get into it. This can be used as a pre-poo, which I will be using as a pre-poo, and then I'll try it as a leave-in on a separate wash. Just excited to use this shampoo. Everybody's on it. I just gotta have it. I gotta try it for myself. Let's see what the hair is looking like. No, it might not be dry or brittle, but this shampoo is gonna clean me up real nice, keep my hair soft, hopefully. So this is what we're looking like, guys. As a pre-poo, what I usually do, spray my hair with bottled water or oil and water. This will be taking spot of that. It's a natural alternative to multitasking silicones. Metal foam seed oil. Beneficial properties include moisturizing and added shine. Marshmallow root detangles and reduces frizz with weightless conditioning. I'm looking forward to that. Cruelty free. Leaves tresses glazed and notes of soft, sweet sugar cane. Every time I do a review on anything, I always say follow the directions. The directions state: spray in palm of the hands and gently run fingers through dry, styled or mist through damp hair prior to detangling. Oh man, you guys don't have a mister, don't trip. It just says moisten the hair, moisten, don't saturate. So, just to get the water to loosen it up. All right, container has a little on and on off switch, so you won't waste product. Dope. Wow, it smells like baby lotion. Real thin, watery consistency. I think I would rather spray this into my hair directly so that I can get it down to my scalp and distribute it myself. So that's what I'm gonna do next. A little bit seems to go a long way, but I really want to get all my strands covered. Okay, I don't want to run through it. Use about that much. It doesn't state to leave in for any set amount of time, so I am going to just work through it. No sulfates, no propylene glycol, no parabens, no phthalates, no petroleum, no mineral oil, and no animal testing. I use Sugarcane's lotion, like the sweet almond kind. That's what it smells like. Pre-poo, it means pre-shampoo, and that means before you shampoo, okay? Most people pre-poo to either add moisture to the hair to prepare the hair for being stripped by shampoo, or some people use a pre-poo, get a early cleanse, protects the hair from damage, good slippage. Waivers, we like to wash and style a lot and brush our shampoo through. Usually I pre-poo, work everything through, and then I rinse with warm water. After I rinse the pre-poo out, I'm get into this shampoo that everybody's been loving. The leave-in treatment does it all. Detangles, nourishes, softens, help with brush glide, adds shine, smooths to reduce frizz, and enhances silkiness. I know we love our silkiness, okay? Innovative blend of sugarcane, metal foam, seed oil, and marshmallow root. High slip formula. Great for tangle-free manageability and hair health. Leaves hair smooth, soft, and luxurious. You know I love luxurious stuff. I like to politely dry my hair with microfibers because they don't strip the hair. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, guys. Using this brush today for my wash, this brush for my wash. Silk do-rag. Alright, Manuka honey and yogurt. This formula with Manuka honey helps provide moisture and boost shine. Love our shine. Yogurt extract. Formula with yogurt extract adds nourishing moisture to your hair. This damage control formula with natural mafora oil softens and promotes healthy looking hair. Reduces breakage. Directions they apply to wet hair and gently massage into a rich lather. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat if necessary. For best results, follow up with Hydrate and Repair Conditioner, which I do not have. Nice creamy. All of these things smell really good, refreshing. Fragrance not overwhelming. As you can see, good initial lather. Anybody that's new to the channel, us wavers love to do something called the wash and style. And when we wash and style, we put our do-rags on and we rinse the shampoo out while the do-rag is on. Gives us an edge into laying our waves and controlling the lay of our waves to get them nice laid and smooth. We're gonna rinse this with cold water. Cold water rinse. To give a recap of this video, I pre-pooed with the SheaMoisture silicone free. The shampoo portion of this video is the notorious Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo. Wash and style is complete. Cold water rinse, and then I'll be back to show you the results. It's your girl G3, live from 313 Shea Bachelor 29.